our Honorable President of India, a golden lady, we are really overwhelmed by your presence. It gives us our gratitude to you. We convey our regards, pranam, namaste, kemon achunti, and all the love from army men to police, civic society to musicians, the singers to industrialists, students to my Chou Shilpi, Baul Shilpi, Lokoposha Shilpi, my Adivasi girls, boys, press media, and everybody. Thank you, Madam, for giving us this opportunity. We invited all the political parties, all the civic society people, and all section, all caste, all creed, and all community. My Honorable Governor, Anand Bosch, is also present here. Chief Justice of Kolkata, he is also present here. My Honorable Speaker, Chief Secretary, Firad Hakim, and all my favorite army men, my minister colleagues, and everybody is present here. I think today is a day, a special day, when Annapurna Puja will be starting from tomorrow. Today is the Ashok Shashti. So there will be Saptami, Ashtami, Ram Navami, and Dashami also. In Bengal, we do the Durga Puja in the month of October, and we say Annapurna Puja this time. And Ramjan Mass is also going on. Our Ramjan Mubarak to each and everybody. Mahavir Jain festival is also coming. Holi just over. New Year is also coming. We convey our best wishes to all of you. Madam, our singers, filmsters, civic societies, they are most talented. And the clubs, all the cultural community are here. Bengal, before independence, it was the capital of India. And Bengal, it is the land of landmark people like Vishwakavi Rabindranath Tagore, to Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, to Swami Vivekananda, to favorite Gandhiji, who walked Bengal like anything, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, though he born in Cuttack, but he walked here. Ramakrishna Paramahansa Dev, Matangini Hajra, to Khudiram Prafullo Chaki, Raja Rammohan Rai. The reforms comes from Bengal. The independent movement, it rise from Bengal. And that's why we say, Banglar Mati, Banglar Jol, Banglar Bayu, Banglar Fol, Punno Hok He Bhagavan. We say, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. उसे मेरा भारत महान है, महान हमारा हिंदुस्तान. हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई प्यार में रहना भाई भाई. ये देश हमारा महान है, महान हमारा हिंदुस्तान. We used to say proudly that where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. আলোকের এই উৎস ধারায় ভরিয়ে দাও, আলোকের এই ঝর্ণা ধারায়. অন্ধকারের উৎস হতে উৎসারিত আলো, সকল দ্বন্দ্ব বিরোধ মাঝে জাগ্রত যে ভালো, সেই তো তোমার ভালো। বাংলা মানে বাংলার মাটি, বাংলা মানে বাংলার মা, আম্মা, মাদার, বাংলা মানে হিউম্যানিটি and the human being. We love each other and we love humanity. If anybody asks me, Madam, you are a women chief minister, I said, no, I am a human being. Because humanity is my first and last task. And I proudly say, ma'am, all the people, they helped us a lot. I salute to my army men. I salute to my police people. I salute to my officer. I salute to common people. I salute to my cultural people. I give my all affections to my students. All the best for the students for the future. Thank you, madam. I don't want to speak in details because we develop too much. Now Bengal is model. Even Bangladesh also, they send a team to see Bengal, the BSK. Bengal have got United Nations first prize, public award for Konyasri, for girl child. Bengal have got UNESCO heritage for Durga Puja and for tourism destination also. They announced. There are so many prizes. We are number one. Even Government of India also, they have given us the prize also for the work. And that's why we are proud to say the number one of the chair of India, who is the main man, means who is the main institution to protect the constitution, that constitutional head, you are here. And that's why my humble submission will be to you, Madam, please protect the constitutional rights for the poor people, for each and everybody, and save this country from any disaster. We love to see that unity in diversity is our origin. Thank you, Madam. My pranam to you. Jai Johor to you. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram, and Jai Bangla. Joy Urisha also. Joy Rashtrapati ji also. Thank you so much.